Hello, this is James again from Demark. Today we are going to deliver a 1.5 kilowatts air cooling portable laser welding machine. This one, you can take a close look. So this is only 40 kilogram and it is very small, so you can put in the trunk of the car. And here is the logo of our customer, so we can do the customization for you. And okay, and you can see this is a normal laser welding machine. It's very big, and this one is smaller, so you can just put in the trunk of the car. And also we can turn it on. This is the emergency button, and you can take a close look. Yes, so there is the power button. Let me turn it on. Okay, and here is the gas for the welding. Okay, now let's see, it's turned on. Now it's working now. Okay, so you can see this is the control system, and you can see all the parameters. The scan speed, scan width, it shows the welding. Scan width is 3 millimeters, and also peak power is up to 1.5 kilowatts. So we can adjust it, this one, and we can adjust it here. 1.5 kilowatts. Okay, and save.
Yeah.
Import.
Yeah.
And return.
Yeah.
So it's here now. It's 1.5 kilowatts, and also you can change the language. 这个
Yeah.
It's we can 密码
1, 2, 6.
这个
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Okay, we can change the language. You can say English and the Korean, Russian, and Japanese, Germany, French, Italian, Spanish, Portugal, Turkish, and many more languages. So we can also do customization for the language. Okay, we choose English, so return. Now let's our engineer to show the welding effect for you. Now okay. Okay, so it's very clean, and you can see very good. Okay, and this is air cooling laser welding head. So this is air cooling, and this is the nozzles for the welding head, and this is the protective lens. So they are just together with the machine.